3,261 new cases were reported today. That is 22% of more than 14,000 tests. COVID hospitalizations have risen to more than 1,800, and that is a record high. 425 of those patients are in the ICU. 54 new deaths reported today brings that total to 1,952. Seniors age 65 and older can now get the coronavirus vaccine here in California, but with limited doses to go around, San Diego County officials outline the challenges in getting this group vaccinated quickly. News 8's Heather Hope breaks it down in this Beyond the Numbers report.
Yes, the good news is that those 65 and up are now eligible to get the vaccine in San Diego County. But officials say it's not that easy, as there's been a backlog due to lack of staffing to administer the vaccine.
It's great that the state said, hey, folks 65 and older are eligible to get vaccines, but that requires counties to actually have the vaccines to be able to give to those folks.
On board with rolling out the vaccine to San Diego's senior population, County Supervisors Chair Nathan Fletcher says health officials are already doing what they can with the vaccine available.
When will I be able to get it? And I'm this age or this category, and the simple reality is we can't predict that because we cannot predict when the vaccines will arrive.
With California immediately allowing those 65 and older to get the coronavirus vaccine, this will put seniors in line before emergency workers, teachers, child care providers, and food and agricultural workers, even as counties complain they already don't have enough doses to go around.
This notion of an all-hands-on-deck approach to accelerate the equitable and safe distribution of vaccine.
The county wants to expand from 4 to 12 vaccination pods in addition to the Petco Park Superstation site, which experienced a major snag earlier. There was a backed up traffic as officials said 6 people had an allergic reaction to the vaccine at the superstation, so they paused on vaccinations and switched to a different batch and resumed vaccinations again, but not without delays. Appointments ran behind, with the schedule slated to stay open later in order to honor all appointments. This COVID-19 weekly vaccinations chart shows San Diego County administered more than 77,000 vaccines by the end of last week, when there are 500,000 people in all of Phase 1A.
Very soon, we will be full boarding, transitioning to 65 plus, but right now, providers that have vaccines can vaccinate their patient population.
The county lays out more of its goals to get more San Diegans vaccinated. New at 6 will detail those plans. Heather Hope, News 8.